Hi, I'm Alison. I provide tailored solutions to streamline your business, enhance productivity, and help you achieve work-life balance. In this video, I'm introducing one of my one-time services and showcasing examples of it, using the 4 fictitious businesses, which were created for demonstration purposes. I created the one-time services with one goal in mind: to provide an efficient, easy-to-implement solution for anyone looking to start or expand their business. Now, let's dive deeper into the one-time services examples using the 4 fictitious businesses. Now that you have seen the one-time service examples, are you wondering how we can work together? So are you ready to work together? Just schedule your free discovery call today. Thank you for watching.